Hey there. Do you ever wonder about the beginning of the universe? I know I do, and let me tell you, it's fascinating stuff. But here's the thing. You don't need a creator to explain it. Nope, no need for an all-knowing being to have set everything into motion. It's all just a matter of physics, baby. So let's take a journey back in time. Way back. We're talking about 13.8 billion years ago, give or take a few hundred million. At that point, the universe was a hot, dense, and infinitely small point called a singularity. And then, boom, the Big Bang happened. Now, I know what you're thinking. If there was a Big Bang, there had to be something or someone who caused it, right? Wrong. The Big Bang wasn't caused by anything. It just happened. It was a result of the laws of physics that govern our universe. But what about all the complexity we see in the universe today? Surely, that couldn't have just happened by chance. Well, hold on to your hats, because this is where things get really interesting. The universe, as we know it, was born from a process called inflation. Inflation is like a super fast expansion that happened in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang. And during that time, tiny quantum fluctuations were magnified to cosmic scales, creating the seeds that eventually gave rise to galaxies, stars, and all the other cosmic wonders we see today. And speaking of stars, did you know that they are basically giant nuclear reactors? It's true. They are powered by the fusion of hydrogen atoms into helium, and they produce all the heavy elements that make up everything from planets to people. In fact, you and I are made up of stardust, literally. The atoms that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars billions of years ago. Right, let's talk about the origin of the laws of physics. It's one thing to say that the universe started with the Big Bang and has been evolving ever since. But what about the rules that govern the behavior of matter and energy? Where do they come from? Well, the truth is, we don't really know. The laws of physics seem to be fundamental and immutable, but there's no obvious reason why they have to be the way they are. Some physicists have suggested that the laws of physics are simply a consequence of the way the universe started out, that the fundamental constants and properties of the universe were set during the Big Bang, and everything else just fell into place from there. Others have suggested that there may be some deeper reason why the laws of physics are the way they are. Perhaps they are a consequence of some deeper, more fundamental principle that we have yet to discover. There are even theories that suggest that the laws of physics may be different in different parts of the universe, or that they may evolve over time. As we delve deeper into the laws of physics, we come to realize that they are intimately connected with mathematics. In fact, many physicists believe that the universe is inherently mathematical, that the laws of physics are simply expressions of mathematical relationships that exist in some kind of abstract, Platonic realm. This idea leads to some fascinating possibilities, such as the concept of a mathematical multiverse. If the universe is fundamentally mathematical, then there may be other mathematical structures out there that correspond to different universes, each with its own set of physical laws. These mathematical universes would be just as real as our own, but they would be inaccessible to us because they operate according to different laws of physics. In fact, some physicists have suggested that the very reason why the laws of physics are the way they are in our universe is because they allow for the emergence of complex, intelligent life, and that in other universes with different laws, life as we know it would be impossible. Ultimately, the laws of physics and the mathematics that underlie them are the key to understanding the universe on the deepest level possible. They allow us to make predictions, test hypotheses, and explore the mysteries of the cosmos. And as we continue to push the boundaries of our understanding, we may uncover even more profound truths about the nature of reality. Truths that are waiting to be discovered in the intricate, beautiful, and awe-inspiring world of physics and mathematics. So there you have it. The universe didn't need a creator to come into existence. It's all just a matter of physics and natural processes. And isn't that kind of amazing? To think that everything we see around us, from the tiniest subatomic particles to the largest galaxy clusters, can be explained by the laws of nature. It's like the universe is one big cosmic puzzle, and we're slowly but surely piecing it all together. And who knows, Maybe one day we'll uncover even more mysteries and surprises about the universe. Maybe we'll even discover that we're not alone in this vast and beautiful cosmos. But one thing's for sure, we don't need a creator to explain it all. The universe is awe-inspiring enough on its own.